What's up? I'm Gears of Snore. I don't have any idea where we are, but it is beautiful up here. Of course, I didn't have the camera on. We passed his house. I see this dog come out and jump in the pond. I immediately wanted to pull over and go pet the dog, but we couldn't. I'm kind of in shock. We drive past these huge houses and they have horses and I'm gonna try and get a video, see if we can go back this way. And like, I've never been on this road, and it's only because we're going to this place to eat. And good God, it was beautiful. I honestly think the dog jumping in the pond, he was a German Shepherd puppy, sealed it for me. I was like, we are going back that way. If we don't go back that way, I'll be out here next weekend or the weekend after video that part of the ride. It's I think that's just more proof, if you think about it, that you don't even need a destination on your motorcycle. You just go get lost. And like, again, this is why they say wind therapy is the best therapy. I was already in a good mood riding motorcycles with my friends, but then to see these sights I didn't even know were there, and I'm like, this is awesome. We're entering Hope, New Jersey. God, we went past one house and he had two wood sculptures or carvings of eagles on their friggin' house. It was awesome. And I shit you not, somebody pulled out in front of us and went super slow. I'm like, oh my God, of course I don't have the camera on to capture this. Look at that church. Man, this is something else. Warren 519. I mean, it's Warren County. It's 519 South. This is where the deer stand on the side of the road like that. This is the War Memorial Veterans Highway, Hope, New Jersey. Yeah, I really, we gotta go back that way. I have to film that. It just, it was that good. You know, it's crazy. I've lived in New Jersey 51 years. 40-something in the same town, in beautiful Richfield Park. Which, let me tell you something. The town is more diverse now than when I grew up, and the only thing it did was make it better. There are so many good places to eat, different kind of food, all good. Oh, I did. Almost hit that little birdie. Little chirpy. I applaud you. Oh, he had him on. I was going to say I applaud you, sir, for not wearing your armor, but he had the spandex on.
This kind of behavior is never tolerated in Boracua.
Hit him with the wrong buzzer sound. What do you say about that, Sheila? That means no. No! Would you look at that house? Holy friggin' crap. If you like my videos, give the thumbs up or leave a comment, I'd appreciate it. This is what Shades of Death Road looks like in Hackettstown. That's a very good ride if you go out there. Then once you get the end of Shades of Death Road, hook a left, go back into town and go to Marley's and get you some damn good wings, son. So good, make you want to slap your mama. Kidding. Don't assault your parents. It's the last thing I need. Getting on the news for telling people to assault their parents. Don't assault your parents. It's not funny. It's crazy, you know, I'm afraid to turn this camera off when I'm done because I think I'm going to miss something. Just like that whole, you know, scenery I was saying before with the dog and everything, and I was stuck in the moment of like, you know, how beautiful it was. I didn't want to turn the camera on because I was just like, I want to see this and experience this, not for a video, just for myself. And yeah, we are definitely going back that way. I don't care if I have to pay for these guys' lunch or force choke them. I wonder if this is like late fall. The leaves are changing. Right next to me is, around the back is Miss Gears a snore. And she says to me, you know, you the man, Hulk Hogan. And I'm like, that's right, baby, Hulk Hogan. This is what happens when I have too much caffeine. Four Sisters Winery. Would you look at that? I wonder if there's an evil sister. It was like Five Sisters Winery. And then she's just like, whatever, I don't even like wine. I'm going to start a brewery. Whatever, I do what I want. Man, could you imagine ripping through here, Porsche or a muscle car? Or, oh man, I'm having the time of my life on a motorcycle. And I'm doing it with my friends, which is, I'm sure when we're sitting there eating, you know, it's going to be the same thing. Did you believe that view? Did you see the dog jump in the water? We're going back that way. He's swapping out the battery for the ride back. Oh, that is what I'm friggin' talking about. Dodge Challenger. Got that with a 6-speed manual and a Hemi. This is wild. It really is. If you got a doggo at home, go give him a pet for me. I miss my buddy. I miss you, Bella. Hope you're getting all the treats you want. You can eat cheese up there. That is a dope ass BMW. uniform over here. Honestly, this area reminds me of that TV show Smallville, where it's Clark Kent growing up. It's just beautiful. There's a quick check here. I think we may have come down that road up there. Yep. Man, this guy got a large group. What's up, fellas? That's pretty dope. Old ass gold thing.